Hey friends, if you wish to force quit apps on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you have to do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Okay. Now let this list load, and let's say you wish to close this app. Okay. Okay, I'll just open an app for you, a better app. Let's say that I open the Showkey Plus app. It will appear in the list of apps here in the list of foreground applications. So let it load and then I'll show you what has to be done. So to kill the app, simply right click on this application and select end task. That's how easy it is to force quit an application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.